white snowfall!
Dubop, actually it was me.
What?
Like this. Let it snow!
But I thought I did it.
Then try it again.
Let it snow! Whoa!
Huh?
See? I told you!
Oh, that's interesting. Try something else.
Okay, let the wind blow! Ooh!
Wow!
Let it rain! Ooh! Stop raining!
Oh, this really works. How does it happen?
Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Hey, did you like my weather show?
Santa Claus?
Ho-ho! Let it snow! Woohoo! Now stop! Ho ho ho! Do you like my magic weather show?
Yes!
Yes, it almost scares me. Why are you here anyways?
Hoo! It's almost Christmas, so I brought some Christmas carols to sing. Ho 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 ho! Here's the Christmas CD, Mr. Jukebox.
Oh, I want to listen to them!
Oh, ho ho! Should we try one?
Yes! Yay!
Play the carols, Mr. Jukebox! Please!
Oh, the weather outside is frightful,
But the fire is so delightful.
and since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping.
And I brought some corn for popping.
The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying,
And my dear, we're still goodbying.
but as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Kids English School.
Kids